Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the iTrend indicator for MT4. This trend following tool displays a pair of oscillating green and red lines in a separate indicator window using components from the Average Directional Movement Index to represent bullish and bearish price movements with crossovers indicating trend reversals. In this video, you will see how the iTrend indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The iTrend indicator is an advanced tool used by traders to analyze and identify trends in financial markets designed to determine the prevailing market direction, whether bullish, bearish, or neutral, and can be effectively employed across stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. The indicator uses a component of the Average Directional Movement Index (ADX) consisting of two directional movement index lines where DMI plus, the green line, represents bullish price movements, and DMI minus, the red line, represents bearish price movements. Trend direction is bullish whenever the DMI plus line is above the DMI minus line, and bearish whenever the DMI plus line is below the DMI minus line, with the crossing of the two lines indicating a trend reversal and the way these lines intersect showing the direction of a trend. You can already see it in a separate window on the chart. The iTrend indicator is typically represented as a line on a price chart, often placed in a separate window, like I previously said, below the main charts, with the primary visual representation being the trend line fluctuating to show market direction. The indicator often includes a signal line which serves as a smoother or filter to confirm the trend direction, helping reduce false signals and ensuring traders can rely on the indicator's interpretation more effectively. In some versions, a separate trend strength line is incorporated, showing how strong the current trend is, providing valuable information about whether the trend is gaining momentum or weakening based on the distance between the trend line and price action. As for the settings, let's take a look. Alright, the period settings on the iTrend indicator defines the length of the data used for calculations, with a shorter period resulting in a more sensitive indicator that reacts quickly to price changes, while a longer period provides smoother signals, reducing noise but potentially delaying trend shifts. Signal line smoothing parameters can be adjusted to control how quickly the signal line responds to trend line movements, allowing traders to customize the balance between responsiveness and false signal filtering. Trend strength threshold settings in some versions allow traders to define what level of separation between lines constitutes a strong trend versus a weak one, helping filter out marginal trends that may not offer sufficient profit potential. You can also choose your preferred colors and set your preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the iTrend indicator is suitable for trend following traders who want clarity in trend identification, allowing them to align positions with the dominant trend, swing traders looking for early trend detection before the trend becomes widely recognized, and multi-market traders since it's highly versatile and can be applied to any markets including stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Its strengths include making it easier to identify the prevailing trend, helping traders avoid counter-trend trading, providing earlier signals compared to traditional trend-following indicators like moving averages, incorporating multiple components including signal line and trend strength indicators to filter out false signals, and being easy to use and understand even for beginners while applicable to any time frame. However, the iTrend indicator is a lagging indicator, meaning it may not react instantaneously to market changes and could provide delayed signals in volatile or rapidly changing markets, can generate false signals in choppy or ranging markets with low volatility due to frequent crossovers, depending on historical price action, and does not predict future trends, is also one of its limitations, and should be combined with other technical indicators like RSI or MACD to confirm entry or exit points. You can download the iTrend indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how using DMI components to display oscillating lines provides clear trend direction identification and reversal signals for trend following strategies. If you like trend following tools with early detection capabilities, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.